Here's the wires coming down from the switch. So without really knowing which wire goes where, I hit each one, turn the key on and hit each one of those with a test light. That's coming from the main harness right there. You can see that I got power right here. Can you see? I don't know. Let's see if I get this in the frame. Got power here. I got power here, nowhere else. So I jumpered power from here over to the corresponding pin right here on the other plug. I just guessed. Then if I turn the signals on, you can see I have power here on the yellows. Let's see if I can get those in the frame. I don't have much room here with the camera in this front seat. So there you got power. You don't have power anywhere else. If I switch over to the left, or I mean the right, I got power on the greens, but nowhere else. So the switch is working. The switch is not what shortened the two wires together. In other words, the switch is not shorting the other two wires together that are going to the back. So now we're going to keep looking. Wires down. The switch doesn't seem like a problem. It seems like the wiring loom's melted together somewhere, or something weird's going on that I don't understand. So I'm just looking before I get any deeper, and I see that nail. See that nail right there? Goes right, might go right through that wire. I don't know about that one. So I'm going to pull this little aluminum shield off, or whatever somebody thought they were doing right there. I don't know. Let's see if that loom is damaged right there. If it's not, then crap, I don't know. It's somewhere down the A pillar maybe? I don't know. This connector right here goes up the A pillar and comes out right up there. I was able to reach up in there and pull this apart, and here's the other end that comes out of the main wiring loom. So now I'm going to show you if I can get the camera set. Can you see that at all? Yeah, maybe. It might be too dark. Alright. Now we've got on the left turn signal, which is that yellow wire right there. And there's the green for the right. It's off. Now if we switch it over, there's green. Now I've flipped it over and green's on. Yellow's off. And you can see the flashers right there for the emergency flasher and for the you can see the flashers for the emergency flasher and the turn signal flasher right there. So the switch is good. The loom is good up to here, and it's somewhere in this pigtail. It goes up this A pillar and comes out right here. I'm going to see if I can pull that out and then maybe fix it. I don't know. We're going to do another test first. See if we can simulate the problem by feeding some power into this pigtail right here. And then we'll know for sure if it's in that chunk of wire right there, or if something else is going on that we completely don't understand. So I jumpered some power onto the wire right there, and in the back, jumpered power to one wire here. I got it coming out of two wires back there. So somewhere in between here, up that post, that chunk of wire right there, and then this going down to the floor where those wire nuts were, there's a problem. It could be right in this freaking A pillar somewhere. I'm going to check the rest of this loom out and see if I can find something else before I go trying to pull that out of there. So when I was checking this loom out, I found this goofy wire right here. Focus. Going into this chunk right here. And this tape up to about right there is not factory. So somebody's had this open and they've been messing around with it. Daisy, this wire I'm going to pull the tape off this right here and see if I can find the problem before I... Right there, I'm going to pull the tape off and see if I can find the problem inside there before I try and pull it out of that A-pillar, because that'll be hard. We found a spot where the wire is cut, mangled. It was not down in the A-pillar. So here's my wires right here. I peeled all the tape off, stripped them all. Right now we got key on. So with key on, we got nothing on any of the wires. Crap. The thing's still unplugged. Hold on. I plugged all the dang plugs back in. So this thing is hooked up now. I got key on, no signals. We got, let me get the wires on here. We got nothing. Now we got left turn signal. Should be this yellow one right here. Nothing on anything else. Yay! Now we got right turn signal. Should be this green one. Yeah. Nothing else. Yeah. Now we got tail lights. Should be this brown one. Yeah. Now this blue one, there's a blue one and a black one here. I don't know what they do. Let's see if one of them's a ground. Alright. Now I have my turn signals off. I hooked the test light up to the black and the brown. I got nothing. Let's try the blue just in case, but I doubt it's a ground. I got nothing. Check this signal just in case. Got nothing. So I don't know what the blue wire and the black wire are for. But there was also a pink and a white wire in there that didn't do anything. There's my signal. Okay. So it's working how we think it should work now. My stinking glasses, man, the light glares off of them. And if you catch me going like this, I'm trying to see through my bifocals. It's terrible. So tomorrow we'll run some wires down the roof, hook the rear tail lights back up, and everything will be good to go. That was quite a chase.